English is not a knowledge. English is just a language. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. I am your Abhijit sir. So today from the thumbnail you all might have understood what we are going to discuss. So आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं my 30 days strategy or plan that how can a person be a fluent in English. So let's begin. So one thing we need to understand, we need to keep in our mind before we begin our journey. That is, English is not a knowledge. English is just a language. How Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi, Chinese, French, everything, all these are just languages in the same way. English is just a language. Now, the big question is where to begin? We want to speak a lot, we want to communicate a lot, we have a willpower, but we got stuck at one point that where to begin this, कहाँ से शुरू करें? So let me give you the answer. There are four aspects of the languages, that is LSRW: listening, speaking, reading and writing. ये साउंड करते हैं बहुत ही ऑर्थोडॉक्स, ये तो बहुत ही ऑर्थोडॉक्स वे है इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज लर्न करने के या सीखने के, बट बिलीव मी दिस ऑर्थोडॉक्स वेज आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वेरी इजी टू बिगिन विद LSRW. क्या करना है? सुनना है ना. लैंग्वेज, सी, लैंग्वेज इज नॉट द थिंग विच कैन बी लर्न, लैंग्वेज इज द थिंग विच कैन बी एक्वायर्ड. जैसे हमने बचपन में वॉट एवर योर मदर टंग माइट बी, हिंदी हो, मराठी और एनीथिंग, any language which is your mother tongue that you didn't learn, like जब आप 1.5-2 साल के रहे होंगे, we never went to our mother and father and asked कि ये देखो मैंने पेज पे लिख के लाया है कि मुझे पानी चाहिए, ऐसा हमने सीखा था नहीं. Habitually we have learned to speak. कैसे? Because of the atmosphere we have acquired the language, our mother tongue we have acquired. So this thing you have to keep in your mind that English language or any language cannot be learned, the language can be acquired. तो ऐसे ही हमें ये भी याद रखना है कि ये लैंग्वेज एक्वायर की जा सकती है, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, थ्रू द LSRW. देखिए, लिसनिंग इज वन ऑफ द स्किल्स. अभी क्या सुनना है? यू कैन लिसन द सॉन्ग्स, यू कैन लिसन पॉडकास्ट, यू कैन लिसन टेड टॉक्स. देयर आर मेनी channels by which you can listen the audio books, audio stories. Secondly, you can listen to the people who are in your surrounding, no matter whether they are your colleagues, they are, might be your boss, might be your friends, might be your teachers, whomsoever it is. आप उन्हें सुनो, है ना. And how do they speak? How do they use the vocabulary? वो कैसे उन words का, vocabulary का, sentences का use करते हैं? Try to copy their accent, vocabulary, words and sentences, है ना. So once you start copying, your confidence will be gaining, and that is the first step कि सुनना चाहिए language, and whatever we listen we need to inculcate in our language. मतलब जो सुनते हो उसे implement करा करो. That is the first step, that is listening. Then speaking. Eventually if you are going to listen, then definitely you are gonna speak. जो हम सुनते हैं वो बोलेंगे ही 100%. Then there comes reading. अभी reading में क्या read करना चाहिए? Same. Then newspapers, formal language you will get to know, you will learn, you will come to know through the newspapers, books, है ना, blogs. Okay, you can read. So reading and then writing. Writing is the key. In my initial days when I started this journey, so I used to write on a pages whatever I need to speak, whatever was the planning into my mind, that I used to write each and every word on a page, and then I used to practice more and more. It will help you to gain your confidence, and that's why this four things you need to follow: LSRW: listen, speak, read and write. Because you will agree with me that a person is more fluent into his mind than outside, है ना. आप मुझसे अग्री करोगे, जब हम खुद से बात करते हैं into our mind, that time we are more fluent. We can remember the words very easily, we can recall the words very easily. हमें words ऐसे जल्दी जल्दी याद आ जाते हैं, है ना. And if I make you stand on a stage, so there we stuck. And why this it happens? Because we don't have that much confidence, and when you will get confidence, when you will have the vocabulary, and to build that vocabulary, to build sentence construction immediately, you need to do this LSRW, that is listen, speak, read and write. तो ये पॉइंट आई होप यू आर नोटिंग इट डाउन. नोट डाउन कर लीजिए कि आपको कहाँ से शुरू करना है. LSRW से शुरू करना है, मतलब सुनना है, थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है, देन रीडिंग करना है और राइटिंग करना है. डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू डू दिस. देन The next point is being curious. आपको curious होना पड़ेगा बहुत ज़्यादा. Curious in what way? Curious like what do we call this? What do we call that? इसे English में क्या कहते होंगे? जैसे कि going your kitchen first of all. Begin with your kitchen. There are many utensils in our kitchen. We don't know the name of each and every utensil. So if you begin with your kitchen, जैसे कढ़ाई है, कढ़ाई को क्या कहते हैं? जैसे जो झारा होता है उसे क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में, है ना? बी क्यूरियस अबाउट दैट. Then you will come to know that kada is called wok, jhara is called skimmer. So that is how when you will find these words. And what else you will find in the kitchen? You will find dry fruits in the kitchen. You will find spices in the kitchen. You will find vegetables in the kitchen. You will find uh, lentils in the kitchen. So this much things, there's many things you will find in the kitchen. So that's why be curious in your surrounding. Whatever the things you see in your day to day life, be curious कि इसे इंग्लिश में क्या कहते होंगे, इसका यूज कैसे करेंगे. And it is the another key that if you learn any new phrase, any new word in English language, use it immediately then and there or the next day in your speaking. क्योंकि vocabulary or words are the things, if you don't use them, you can't remember them. देखिए मदर टंग में हम सब कुछ याद क्यों रख सकते हैं? बिकॉज every day we are using it. It's like a muscle memory for us that we can never forget. And that's how the language which we are learning, that should be the muscle memory for us. कि वो हमारी आदत हो जानी चाहिए, हम उसे कभी भी नहीं भूलेंगे. और यही रीजन है that why we don't forget the words in our mother tongue easily, because that's the muscle memory, that's our habit. And when you will turn this habit for the English language as well, then easily you will remember the words. I hope you are agree with me. Then begin with your surrounding. Whatever is there in your present in your surrounding, begin with that. Find a friend, find a teacher, find your colleague, find anyone. And now you know that there are many tools, AI tools with whom you can talk, you can communicate actually. And so that is how you can begin with these things. So these are the few things by which you can improve your English language. And last but not the least, that is law of attraction. आज के वीडियो का ये बहुत ही important point है और last point है, that is law of attraction. ये कैसे होता है law of attraction? जैसे कि if I want to purchase this watch, so wherever I'll go, I'll notice the watch of the people. It is the human psychology. You know, if I want to purchase a pair of shoes, so wherever I will go, I'll notice the shoes. If I want to purchase a bag, I'll notice the bag. So this thing you have to inculcate, you have to implement in this your journey of learning or learning English language. कैसे कि जहाँ कहीं भी हम जाते हैं, जैसे ये चीजें जो हमें खरीदनी है, how do we notice that of people, वैसे ही wherever we go, we have to find that what this word may call, how people are speaking. We have to notice that wherever we go, we have to find the thing which is going to help us in learning English language. And this is how you can transform yourself. You won't believe that by 2019, I was the person who used to find the corners. I couldn't communicate properly. But doing these basic things, orthodox things only, now I'm able to speak quite good. Not enough good, but quite good I'm speaking. And these are the orthodox ways only are going to help you. See, these are not the, it is not an easy thing. And you might have listened it in one of the motivational videos that everything which is easy, that's not a simple. जैसे कि eating an apple every day, a very easy thing, but it's not a simple thing. We can't follow that routine every day. But if you want to achieve something, if you want to learn something, then definitely you have to do this. And the what are the then obstacles into this journey? Let's talk about the obstacles. The very first thing, that is a shyness. कि हम शर्माते हैं. In the initial stage when we try to speak, we have a quite shyness into us. है ना, कि कैसे बात करूँ, how to begin. If I speak in English, then definitely people are going to observe me. So always keep in your mind one thing, that everything you want is on the other side of the fear and other side of the comfort zone. You might have listened that old traditional story of the eaglets, a king. Let me tell you that story, you already might have listened. A king, he had two eaglets. Eaglet समझते हो ना, eagle के बच्चे जिसे कहते हैं eaglets. So out of those two eaglets, one eagle used to fly very high in the sky and another eaglet, he never flew. And that's why that king had a tension कि ये जो eagle का अभी बच्चा है छोटा सा eaglet ये नहीं उड़ रहा है, how I can make him fly. So he did the announcement into his kingdom that whomsoever him will make him fly, I'll give him 1000 gold coins, and if someone failed to do so, then I'll give capital punishment. And that is how no one took the challenge. But when old farmer he took the challenge and he challenged king that next day you come to my farm and you see the miracle. King was amazed that no one took the challenge and how this farmer took my challenge. And when next day king went into his farm, he saw that the eaglet who never flew, he was flying high than the previous one, than the first one. So king asked him in amazement that how you have made it happen. ये कैसे हुआ, ये आपने कैसे possible करके दिखाया. So that farmer gave simple reply, simple answer that he told king that I put this eaglet on one of the branches of the tree and I cut down that branch. कि जैसे ही मैंने branch cut कर दी, he had only two options, either to fall down and die or either to fly and rise. And that is how that eaglet chose the another option, to fly high in the sky. And definitely that shyness, that fear, that is the branch on which where we are sitting, that's our comfort zone. But definitely we are not going to achieve anything in the comfort zone. So that's why you have to come out of that fear and comfort zone and you have to follow the ways which I told you. And that this you have to do only for 30 days. Within 30 days you will gain much confidence, and that's how your journey will start. Definitely I also know, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि 30 दिन में आपकी इंग्लिश ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट में ही एकदम फ्लुएंट ही हो जाएगी. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल इन 30 days, बट the way I am able to speak, it is possible within 30 days. So then you have to begin with the small topics. अगर आप इस comfort zone के बाहर आ गए, एक बार आपने LSRW स्टार्ट कर दिया है, आपने थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलना चालू कर दिया है, you started listening and then implementing what you listen, then you have to begin with the simple topics like use of can का use कैसे कर सकते हैं, should का use कैसे कर सकते हैं, है ना. You can begin with all the WH words, what, where, when, how, why, which. इसका use कैसे किया जाता है. Then use of the primary auxiliaries जैसे am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did. इसका use कैसे किया जाता है. So ये बहुत ही simple topics है. जैसे कि अगर sentence में कोई subject ही नहीं है तो फिर किसका use कर रहा है. जैसे कि मुझे बोलना है कि एक मंदिर है, इस सब्जेक्ट में कोई एक्शन वर्ड ही नहीं है, तो फिर हम क्या यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि देयर इज अ टेम्पल और देयर इज वन टेम्पल. सो जैसे सब्जेक्ट है तो देयर का यूज करते हैं. सो ऐसे क्यूरियस हुई ये सिंपल टॉपिक्स के साथ अगर आप आगे बढ़ेंगे, सो डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू achieve this. I hope you liked my video, you liked my planning, and definitely if you implement this, so you are going to get the results. Thank you. All the topics which I shared with you, use of can, should, will, have, has, had, do, does, did, I am going to upload this video shortly. So stay tuned, and our journey of speaking English language is going to begin from today, not tomorrow. Today onwards it's going to begin. A promise to yourself. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.